In this video, you will get an overview how to design workshop in Lane's Zoom app. For interaction, attendees can use emojis, trainer as well. Moreover, they can use microphone and camera. Attendee can use the emoji raise hand, and speaker will see who has a question or comment. Attendees and trainer can use chat as well for interaction. In the chat, the interaction can be in the form of a message, as well can be emoji, attaching files, and sharing screenshots. Attendees can make comments on the messages. Same for the speaker. For the workshop, you may design mini lecture slides that speaker can use it for giving some instructions, guidelines, as well sharing some information and relevant content with the attendees. You can design a whiteboard, so during the workshop, the speaker will be able to use the whiteboard for getting expectations or inviting attendees to share some ideas. For the workshop, there is one more option. You may design a video activity, video discussion, or it can be a video which demonstrates the specific skill, if it is within the learning objectives of the workshop. One more activity to be developed within the design workshop in Lane Zoom app is fishbowl activity. In the fishbowl, you may invite attendees to try the skill or to try the behavior which is the target of the workshop. Moreover, here it's the role of observers, so everyone else who is not in the active roles in fishbowl activity will be observers. You may develop and design observation checklist for them. It can be a good foundation for sharing feedback and discussion after. That's the way how attendee sees the fishbowl activity. So if the attendee is in active role, then there will be legend, guidelines and instructions developed. And if the attendee is observer as well, will be some guidelines and checklist. After the fishbowl activity, trainer, speaker may present the results in different ways. One more activity to be developed within the design workshop is brainstorming teams. For brainstorming breakout rooms, attendees automatically will get to the breakout rooms when speaker clicks next. Trainer can join the breakout room to give some comments and assist attendees. In the breakout room, they are generating ideas, discussing. At the stage of development within the design, there can be added voting. So for brainstorming in teams with voting in breakout rooms, attendees in their groups, in their breakout rooms, will vote for the generated ideas. So they will select those ideas which will appear then on the dashboard. Trainer speaker just clicks next and gets to the next stage of the activity. In the workshop design in Lane Zoom app, you may add as well poll activity. For example, poll scale, where attendees can share their opinions in a full group and they will immediately be seen on their screens. To design workshop in Lane Zoom app, you need to get to Lane's platform, to Program Builder, and develop activities and materials for the workshop. You get to My Programs and you click Create. We recommend to create virtual training module for the workshop. You can as well add some materials pre-work and post-work, so attendees will get ready for the workshop and after the workshop, they will be able to fill in feedback form. All the data goes to analytics, so it's easy to find out how the workshop was going and as well to control for the learning outcomes. In this video, we've made an overview how to design workshop in Lane's Zoom app.